Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Interface Crypto here. So today is Wednesday, April 14th. It's basically the end of the day here, 11:20, right before midnight, but I really want to make this a nightly thing and kind of discuss basically the day in regards of crypto. So today, as you know, or maybe you should know, it was the Coinbase IPO, which basically means it was listed on the stock exchange. Their stock was available publicly for the first time, and you can say it had an effect on the market, but I don't think it was that big of an effect. So, as we can see, starting up at the top here, total market cap of crypto $2.28 trillion, which is slightly up. You can see it's 18 billion up in the past 24 hours. Not too much, not even 1 full %. Bitcoin's got the dominance at 51%, leading with Ethereum at 12% and BNB at 4%. So Bitcoin today, slightly red, but in terms of the day, slightly red. So if you look at the 7-day, it still looks pretty healthy, and even going into the next week, I wouldn't be surprised if we break over that 65,000 mark, and then once we break that, it's going to be closing in on the $70,000, which sounds insane to say, but at this point, it's kind of expected in my opinion. So Bitcoin's still ranked number 1. Market cap looks good, like I said. So moving on down to Ethereum. Man, do I wish I got into Ethereum earlier, because we finally broke past that $2,000 barrier and smashed right through it in the past 7 days. Ethereum's up almost 5% today. So Ethereum's ranked number 2. I really don't have an Ethereum holding, but it's looking really, really good for Ethereum going into the next even couple months, in my opinion. It's been so long that 2000 kind of seemed like the max for Ethereum, and with how high the gas prices are and the settlement times of it, it was kind of seeming like 2000 was like kind of the limit for Ethereum, but that's been proven not the case. I mean, look at today actually we smashed through the 2000s. So as you just saw, it's even climbing up still. So I really wouldn't be surprised to see it pass 3,000 in the next week at this rate, since there's a lot going on in the market. I mean, it went up almost 500 in literally today. So 3,000 by the end of the week really isn't that crazy of a prediction. Going right down the line to XRP. XRP is one of my favorites. Can't really get it anymore on Coinbase for the time being, but wow, this past 7 days, 90%. I mean, that's just insane if you've been following XRP for a long time. Even a couple months ago, when it was down to 17 cents, would have been a really great time to get into XRP. But as you can see, it really looks like it's gonna pass that $2 point in the next, in the next week, I could unironically see it passing that $2 point, and then the all-time high of XRP is slightly under $4. So I unironically think before before the end of the summer, I could seriously see that, assuming that the lawsuit keeps going well. My other favorite or noteworthy today, it feels good to be a Link Marine if you're part of the Chainlink Club, because today, almost 7% growth. We've been kind of capped at the $30 point for Chainlink for quite a while. So now it really starts to look like the sky's the limit for Chainlink, because we've been kind of crabbing for quite a while. And past 7 days is almost 30% increase, which in the next week, well, actually, let's say Chainlink's kind of more of a slow grower, slowly increasing. So I could probably see it hitting 50 in the next, 2 months, which I think is pretty modest, actually. Doge is just insane growth in the past couple of days, but the other one I wanted to talk about is XLM, which also kind of follows at least the growth patterns or explosive growth patterns of XRP. As you can see today, slightly in the red, but in the past 7 days, it's over 30%, which feels good when you're on that side for any crypto, to be honest, any coin. And the one thing I wanted to make a note of, you see these bull flags that keep getting formed. It seems like every couple days. You can see that April 2nd to April 5th, and then we have it the 11th, the 14th, and we're kind of in this valley right here again, and I seriously think that XLM could pass that all-time high of about around the 80 cents point, 84 cents, depending on the exchange that you're on. But I really wouldn't be surprised that once it passes that all-time high psychological barrier, I could see it getting into the dollar range, joining, its kind of brother XRP in the $1.50 range. I'd really like to see XLM hit the dollar point in the next, optimistically, I'd say the next couple days, but I'd modestly say I think it'll hit that in the next week or two. And then after it passes that all-time high, we're looking at jumps at the dollar point, so $3, $4, $5, which could really allow for explosive growth. But these are all speculations. Do your own risk. I'm not a financial advisor, and I don't want you to take this as financial advice, as every other crypto YouTuber says. But if you made it to this point in the video, wow, still going up. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more content, and let me know which cryptos you'd rather me talk about. Any questions you have, leave them in the comments below, and look for another video tomorrow or the next day. Thanks. See you guys.